video. My name is Gaurav Chodia, aka Engineer YouTuber. This is video about 11 Labs Conversational AI. So it is like creating a agent by using simple steps. You just follow 5 to 4 steps, and you need to provide information or document related to that. And you can create multiple things. You can do the many things by using this 11 lab. So you can just do the text to speech, voice changing, voices. You can develop your voice and you can change that voices into a native language into different languages, or you can give the different sound effects, or you can create agents by simply giving a providing a name of your agent, giving a document related. You can train that just providing a information related to a document. Like I'm gonna create a one which using my resume. I'm going to provide my resume and it should give me an answer based on my resume. What are the skills I have, from which college I'm passed out, what college I have studied, all those things it will answer. This is a simple uh, example I can say, but you can create a endless examples by using this. You can create for your, you have a e-commerce website and you want to create a simple chatbot or an agent over there that can answer whole questions related to your product and the sale size and all those things. You can just try to create this by using that. So yeah, let's understand what they say. They have introduced on this December 3rd of December, and this is the video. So let's watch what they say. So here you can see you can use multiple. You can use like if you go on agents, and uh, so you can choose a model which is like I'm able to choose a 11 labs multi-language v2. Then there is a 11 turbo 2.4, and you can ask, means you can see here it is for it provide a 26 plus language. You can chat with them in the 26 language, or you can create a model by using that, like English, Japanese, Chinese, and all those things. So this is cheaper, 50% cheaper. You can see here, and it provides a 32 language best for developed use case with trade matter. You can see non-English languages, and yeah, you can see it is a multi-language. 6 languages provide, or whatever the first model capacity generate the 10 plus languages. Yeah, that's what it is. So you can create that by using a simple thing. You need to provide a language. You need to provide a different voice. You can use a different voices from this. Like here is Anjali smooth Hindi voice. You can see. So if you want to check, you can just try it by. So like that, you can. Arnav is there. Then there is a Devi. That then there is a professional language you can use, and all those things are provided here. You can do some hyperparameter change like a stability, similarity, then style extension. Those are the things you can change. You can download that. Yeah, there's a voice changer you can see here. But before that, we'll watch whole video so you can understand what it can be provided to. So you can see this is what they have. They are providing to us. Now, what we'll do, you can change the, means they have provided us text to text to speech voice changer. Then means you can upload your voice and you can change into the Manos voice, or they have internal voice generated by that, and you can provide that. And changing settings, there is a 5 parameter that you can change. Now there's a voice. You can generate a different type of voices here. You can you can create a voices for like, then you need to provide a prompt and it will generate a voice from that. And after that, here is the voice effect. So for example, if I am giving a animal sound, and if you change some settings over there, you are providing a prompt, it will generate a sound effect by using a prompt. So that can be used in movies, that can be used in your website, that can be used anywhere wherever it's generated. So this is the first one. It generated, they have samples like 4 samples to be given. So an eagle flying overhead. So you can see this is the sound of. So let's write a prompt where you can listen a train, train or train horn. Just a simple prompt here. I have not provided a very fancy prompt, but you can see what it generates. Let's see, is it able to generate or not? It is taking a little time. So let's see. It is perfectly matched with the train. You can see, and you can use it anywhere it is in. So it's like nice thing. So now we're gonna go and generate a conversational agent over here. So in that agent, we'll create one new agent called. Uh, I already created that Gaurav V bot. So it will create a simple, and I'm gonna generate that. So create agent. I'll just put it on this button, create agent, and you can see now. The first one will delete that, and here you need to provide a language, which language you want to communicate with your agent. So I'm giving English language. I'll create. Now I have choose the language English, and I'll just provide a prompt. Or first matches agent will say if empty. Okay, so it should say hello, hello, hello. How how can I help you? And uh, let me let let me summarize. Let me uh, okay. Just this one. This prompt is enough. And system prompt. You are a helpful assistant. The system prompt generated determine the person that context of the conversation. So you can provide as simple as that. So I'm not going to change anything. And here's the LLM or LLM model you have to choose. So select which provider and model to be used for LLM. Currently, the LLM cost is covered by us. In the future, this cost will be passed on to you. So right now, they are providing some credential here. So credit is provided by the 11 Labs. Like I'm getting a 10,000 credit right now. So this is the credit you can use to create a demonstrate, or you can create a simple uh, like I'm creating. So you can choose here the Gemini 1.5, 1.5 Flash, 1.5 Pro. This is the fastest one, yeah, as they mentioned over here. And here, a different, you can create a customized LLM. Then Sonnet is there, Turbo is there. So GPT you can use. Then you can change the temperature. As the temperature is changed, the randomness of the answer is introduced to you. Limit token users. So you can configure the token size. Then the knowledge base, you can add a knowledge base here. Like you can, I'm going to provide my resume over here. So wait for it. This is my resume I'm providing as a database or a data system. You can add a tool to here. You can add a tool. I don't know how it works, but you can add a tool here. So, and this is a secret on I don't know, add a secret what it is, but if you surely store a value that can be used by the tool once you have added and retrieved. Okay, it may be a pin or something related to secret key. So I'm going to save this thing, the changes I have made. I'll just save that. Once you save, you can see, you can taste, you can change the voice here. Means there are you can use, this is a Eric's voice. I want to use some little Mano. This is a Hindi person. That's a so, oh, but I'm gonna use that only. Okay, I'll change that. Then you can use the Turbo 2. Flash is our recommended model or low latency use case. Okay, then this is the dictionary they have, pronunciation dictionary they are using in the background. These are the like hyperparameter or parameter you can change. This is the analysis criteria. Add the criteria here. Define the criteria to evaluate your conversation against. You can find the result. So in case there is a there should be a evaluation for that. Data collection. If you need to collect your data transcript, you can collect that. The security, authorization, or you can host by using that. And this is the advanced. I don't know what is this, but you cannot change those parameters. I am not going to change that. And this is simple embedded code you can use in your program, so that you can use a simple 11 lab agent or this agent in your program. So I'm not gonna do anything here. I'm gonna keep it as it is. Okay, so I'll go back and I'll just you can do the copy on this, and you can use this SDK as that. I'm gonna cover in next video, but in this video we're gonna test that this agent bot. Let's test that. Are you excited about it or not? Let me say in the comment box. So I'm gonna call this agent AI agent. So he's listening. I'm gonna say, brief me about my resume and tell me what are the skill sets I have as a Gaurav Chodia. So what are the skill sets I have? Please explain. Okay. That's really good. That's really good. Yeah, yeah. Tell me what college he studied from. Okay. Yeah, I want to know a little bit about his experience, last previous experience, from which company he did. Okay, thank you very much. So you can see here, I'm gonna just I don't know how to turn off this. I'm gonna okay. Let's let's not okay. So this is my LinkedIn ID. You can connect with me here, and you can ask me anything related to 11 Lab, because I have gone through very much, and I'll explain what are the cloud platform and how can you use that SDK. So thank you for watching this, and if you really like this video, make sure you like it, give a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned.